This adventure takes us to Horseshoe Lake, where Gabe catches his first fish.
That little jerk. As soon as you see it go down, just that little jerk. I know, that's the fish nibbling at it. Ready? It's going again. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Have you guys done the call of the fishery yet? Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. Yeah, you can check it. Still got a worm. That's back out there. Okay, reel it in. Reel it in, reel it in.
I think that's the one that you caught earlier.
Oh, nice little size.
That is a second.
You go.
Yo, no way.
See the blue spot above its bill? Doing?
I don't know, it's scared me.
Pick it up, nice camera.
And then hold it
There you go.
and
That's
say
perfect.
tease. You just gotta give it a strong grip. It's gonna try and move anyways.
Quickly, man, get it back in.
It won't poke you, it's a bluegill.
Top one.
You only grab it from the bottom. You want pose? Let me see. Nice.
Part of it.
Oh, there's also green. Purple. Purple. I see purple.
Alright, we took two catfish lines, left out all night. Now putting back in the shore.
And I caught my first fish ever. Last night.
Probably sitting out there. Just sort of where all that stuff came from. Morning fire. We're out there fishing. Fish are jumping.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure. It was a nice little spot to set up camp, stay for a couple nights, do some fishing. Hope you enjoyed it, and look forward to our next camping adventure.